Good morning everyone. Welcome to Pinay in Ontario YouTube channel. For today's vlog guys, we are in Guimaras, Panay Island. So this is Panay Island in Guimaras where we purchased a property. Dito kami, yes, kasuhin lang kami. Ayan, ito yung Guimaras Island. Dito sa tatawid ka lang ng Iloilo guys. About 15 to 20 minutes from Iloilo by ferry. Sasakay ka lang ng ferry sa Paraola Port. Tapos tatawid ka. Wala pang half an hour nandito kami. So, ayan. Pasyal muna kami. Nag-rent kami ng motorbike para hindi na kami makikipag-negotiate sa mga tricycle. Yung mga ano nila dito is tricycle. Yung main transportation nila. Tricycle. Oh, the mango is 300 a kilo. So, ayan. So, Guimaras is famous for mangoes. They said that their mangoes is the sweetest in the whole Philippines. So, yesterday we went to this restaurant called Pit Stop. I think it was Pit Stop. They're famous for mango pizza. So yeah, we had some mango pizza yesterday for dinner, and they have other things like adobo with mango twist, and yeah, so they have all kinds of other dishes in their menu. So that's what we had for dinner. I forgot to vlog it because I forgot my camera, and it was raining, so I don't want to take my camera with me just in case it poured heavily and my camera will get wet. Kasi yung guys, yung DJI Pocket 3 sensitive masyado sa water, so hindi ko siya dinala kahapon kasi where we stayed, we just walked to that restaurant, so I didn't bring the camera. I just bring my phone, and I even forgot, I just took a picture. I forgot to take a video even with my phone. So yeah, once again, this is Guimaras Island, across from Iloilo. This is a separate from Iloilo. So it's a small island. It's I think as big as if you're in Canada, as big as PI. Yeah. So mamaya bibili kami ng mangga, titignan namin. Pero mahal yung mango nila. I know that they have a mango festival here as well. I think it's a long week festival in May. I think it ran from between May 15 to for a week. This yeah. Lakas ng hangin guys. At saka kahapon maulan. So hindi kami masyado nakapag Iloilo, which is like I said earlier, like 15 minutes in the ferry. Sasakay ka lang ng ferry, tapos nandun ka na. So, yeah. So, ito na yung pinaka-city nila. Ayan, may makikita ka na. Meron silang McDonald's, Jollibee. Ayan, Mango store. Tingnan nyo. Meron silang mga ano. Ayan, dyan sa building na yan, may office yung DAR. Kung saan magpapaano process ng mga paperwork sa bahay. Yan, may mga fruit stall sila dyan sa loob. Ito na yung pinaka niya, town. As in, maliit lang siya. May Jollibee at McDonald's lang. Nakita ko. This morning, we went for breakfast in Jollibee. So, yeah. Pero pagka tatawid ka naman, kung gusto mong pumunta naman sa city, Iloilo is a big city. Meron silang SM, Robinson, City Mall. Malaki, maraming university sa Iloilo also. So, yeah, so meron silang drugstore, Mercury Drugstore. Ayan. So as in, ito na yung pinaka ano nila dito, main. Ayan, may ano sila dyan, Capitol. Yan yung Capitol ng Guimaras, yung white building. Tumaas na yung gasolina, guys, dahil sa ano, sa nangyayari sa mundo. So, sa iba, ang dami na mahahaba na yung mga pila. Ayan, ito yung McDonald's. Tingnan nyo. McDonald's. Yan. And beside it, has Jollibee. Ayan yung Jollibee nila. Dito sa dito. Famous for their barbecue, like because Mang Inasal is originated in Iloilo. So yeah, it's either correct me if I'm wrong, I think it's either Iloilo or Bacolod. So yan, dito kami naka-stay for a couple of nights. We'll see kung makakita kami ng magandang resort mamaya. Pakalilipat kami. Ayan, dito kami guys nag-stay sa Red Horse. So, hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Please comment, share, and subscribe. Pinayan Ontario. Bye for now.